Might want to listen for a sec. I replaced my virtual assistant with AI and saved $3,000 a month. No jokes, no gimmicks. Just smart systems that worked while I slept. Let me show you how I did it. Hey, my name is Camille DG. I am a nurse turned entrepreneur, property developer, and the unapologetic voice behind my new podcast, Speak It Real. So, when I first transitioned out of nursing into full-time business, I was running on fumes. NDIS staffing, property projects, Airbnb listings, compliance. It was really chaotic. So, like most people, I hired a VA to help me stay afloat. They did my emails, scheduling, and all that. But here's what I realized. I wasn't buying time. I was outsourcing my overwhelm. I still felt like I was hand-holding a second me. And I didn't leave the front line just to stay stuck in admin. That's what it really cost me when you added wages, corrections, and miscommunication. But it wasn't just the money. It was the energy, my creativity, my focus. I was still managing the tasks and not building legacy and freaking freedom. And that's when I made a decision. And no more playing small. I needed to actually act like a CEO, not a glorified supervisor. Now, for full disclaimer, I actually didn't study anything to do with tech. I didn't even take a course in AI. I was just tired of the mess. And I asked myself, what if I could create a system, build a system, buy a system that thinks for me? So I started experimenting little things at first, just doing up contracts, emails. Then I got brave with it. I started handling all my work calls, even doing up my nurse and support worker rosters. But here's the crazy part, and I love this. I don't even have a business phone number anymore. My AI receptionist and chat responder handles all my messages and calls day and night, even when I'm asleep. Let's break down what I actually use today. I use this product called Spacia.ai. It's an all-in-one business front end and back end. It runs my automations, my funnels, my team's workflows, reminders, onboarding, emails, follow-ups, man. AI adds and the back end stuff to that. Literally almost everything that I used to need a VA for. I even have an AI receptionist and SMS responder built in. No phone number needed anymore. It's like having a digital operations team 24/7. I freaking love it, right? Of course, I use Canva and I use this product called Flux AI for like marketing materials, social posts, YouTube thumbnails, brochures, any client-facing stuff. It's clean, it's fast, it's aligned with my brands, and I don't need to wait on a designer or anyone else to do it for me. And the old faithful, of course, ChatGPT for my documents, reports, contracts, policies, even my personal life admin like family, travel itineraries, meal plans, speech writing. It thinks for me. So it's great. These tools don't just save me time, they expand my capacity to be able to do other stuff, right? Including travel. And replacing my VA with AI gave me more freedom. Time to be present with my family, time to scale my property stuff and build ideas, time to create. I used that monthly saving that I used to pay the VA with on ad spend, land, you name it. I did it. I've got an invisible, quietly efficient running 24/7 team in the back end there. It's scalable. It's low stress. It's all working towards the legacy and it's not a short-term hustle. So would I ever hire a VA ever again? Maybe, but definitely not for the admin stuff. And if I hire a VA ever again, they will probably be hired to help out with video editing and sales. AI is my operations manager now, my execution partner, my back-end brain. And here's my small piece of advice to you. Don't fear AI. Learn to lead it. Use it like a weapon. And if this sparked something for you, if you're curious on how to build your own AI-driven business, drop a comment below. Ask your questions. I will always respond. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. This channel is for people like you, disruptive thinkers who are ready to build smarter, become more free, and faster. Catch you on my next video, and hopefully it will be my podcast this time.